Happy Saturday. Today I'd like to talk about the hoover. Now, the hoover comes from, well, the vacuum, sucking you back into their web of lies and deceit and manipulation and gaslighting and deflecting, all that negativity that you really don't want in your life. I mean, there's always negative things in life, but the narcissist will, that's all your life will ever be, is negativity. And it becomes captivity. Now, it all depends on how strong the narcissistic personality is with someone. Some people they don't get the hoover for months, years, and they might get one or two and that's it. Other people get multiple hoovers over time, right away, or months or years down the road. Don't fall for it. Now, you've been discarded maybe once, twice, 5, 10 times. The more times, the worse it is each time they come back. So think back and reflect on what it was like when they came back the second time, the third time, the fourth time. It's like unfinished business with them. It's not about love or feelings or them realizing they did wrong and you're actually a really good person. No, they have motives, not feelings, not empathy, not love. Now, why do they hoover? Partly because of what I just said. They have unfinished business. There's still arguments they want to win. There's still things they want for themselves. Things that they want to accomplish in life. The other bit of it, why they hoover, the grass isn't as green on the other side of the fence as they thought. Their new supply is not turning out to be what they thought, or they're not giving them everything they thought they would, mentally. Soft spot, but intimately. You know, they might be a narcissist themselves. They might be controlling. They might drink too much. They whatever it is. There's no happiness in paradise or what they foresee as paradise. You see, they're chasing that dopamine rush. And every relationship has a honeymoon phase where all the feelings and lovey-dovey, I just want to be around you stage is there. But over time, a healthy couple, they grow to where they're more comfortable, they're trusting that they can go out and do things and their partner doesn't have to worry and you don't have to worry. You guys solve the issues, you talk about things, you resolve things. With them, the attention all has to be on them. Their wants are the only focus, even above their kids. They're always right, they know everything, they're the best. So once that honeymoon phase starts to wear off and there's more arguments, there's more disagreements, there's less, oh, I just want to make you happy because, you know, it's about both people being happy. They start to look for other people to keep that honeymoon phase going. As soon as the honeymoon phase is done, they're already looking for somebody else. They're already contacting somebody else that they were in a relationship with. And they will do this over and over and over until they either get you back, get somebody else back, or they get somebody new. But then as soon as that honeymoon phase is done, guess what? It's the same cycle. They will offer to buy you things. They will offer to sit down and talk. They will do things just to have it so they're around you. They will demand that you talk to them. And unless you've started to do research, you started to heal yourself from it all, you're going to fall right back into that trap, and then they're going to push you back down into that hole in the ground after they're done with you. Put the cover on it, put a big boulder on that cover, park the crane, take the keys and drive away until they're ready to let you out again. Like, here I am, I'm your savior. That is nonsense. Nobody, and you guys, don't want to live a cycle of all the lying and cheating, the gaslighting, the projection. But it's kind of, that's just what they do. And that's why they're hoovering you, is because things are starting to fall apart with the person they're with. You're the backup plan. But you guys are better than the backup plan. You're somebody else's first choice. Do you want to be somebody's second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 10th choice? Just to be in a relationship? Trust me, guys, it does not feel good. And after, you try 2, 3, 4 times with a narcissist, you basically feel like you're in a relationship with somebody completely different each time. So then you're trying to fix and rebuild the relationship from before, but you're doing that with somebody who's completely different. And they know this, but they don't care. That's why they're gonna hoover you. They will give you tester hoovers like, do you need anything at your place? Oh, are you missing any clothes of our sons or kids from your place? Can I get this from your place and then never show up to pick it up? Do you need X, Y, or Z? It's all smoke and mirrors just to get you to talk to them. But they're doing that with 3, 4 other people. Don't be the narcissist fool tool. Be your own person. Take the ball back into your court. Take control of your life back and leave them out of it. Don't fall for the hoovers. Just because they hoover you and you're not fully healed yet, don't let that go to your head. Because guess what? They're going to do something else shortly after to hurt you anyways. And it's like somebody hitting you in the head from behind and then giving you their hand to pick you up and say, oh, somebody hit you and took off. Here, let me help you up. So they help you up, and then they walk with you a bit down the sidewalk, talking to you, making sure you're not concussed, and then they hit you again and then help you back up and do it over and over. Don't fall for the hoover. You're better than that. You're stronger than that. Look deep down. Stay true to yourself. Stay strong. Stay blessed. Keep following on your journey to healing. And again, please comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll try and be more active. Thank you guys. I hope you have a good rest of the night, or day, or evening. Take care.